Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to maximize your FPS in the Outlast Trials. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, navigate to graphics. Here, as you can see, you can change a few things. First, I'll turn off VSync, because if you don't experience screen tearing normally, it shouldn't change anything. Then, set a frame limit. I recommend anything from basically 90 to like 144, I guess. Depending on your preference, honestly. Playing on 60 is quite low for these days, so I usually game on 144. This will ensure that your FPS count doesn't spike over this number and will keep your experience smoother. Then, of course, you can change the overall quality settings. You can also run the auto-detect quality settings. Honestly, that's quite alright, but for me, it's recommended I go with epic textures and high reflections also. That would be my auto-detect quality setting recommendation. If you wish for a better performance, a bit of a better performance, I would lower those from recommended by 2 steps, or by 1 step, I guess, and go with something like that. You can turn off anti-aliasing, of course, and leave it like that. If you also need even better quality, even better performance, that is, you can also lower it all the way to low. Of course, this will improve your performance, but I don't want to jeopardize the look of the game for the sake of performance. But that is also always an option. Then look to the advanced options, and under FSR you can change it from off, which is set to this by the default. You can set it to ultra performance, or balanced. This way it will improve your performance, as the name suggests. Hit apply after all that, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.